It had to do with a truck driver who was dismissed. Now, it was on Christmas Island, and he had systematically targeted a colleague, an individual, and he had made a number of statements with sexual innuendo towards him in an abusive manner in front of his colleagues. When confronted by the individual concerned, rather than backing down, he further belittled and harassed him, essentially suggesting he was a crybaby for making these, pushing back and defending himself or seeking not to be bullied within the workplace. When the complaints were investigated, the individual concerned refused to acknowledge that he'd been out of line. He was terminated, apart from other things, for breaching the company's policies in relation to workplace behaviour. What they found was that, yes, there had been policies in place for a long period of time, but what they weren't able to establish was that the